Welcome to Englishify.
Today, we will learn about 20 different jobs.
Let's see what people do in their work.
It's fun and easy to learn English with us.
This is a doctor. A doctor helps sick people. Doctors work in hospitals. They check patients and give medicine. Doctors are very important. They help people stay healthy.
This is a nurse. Nurses work in hospitals. They help doctors and care for patients. They give medicine and check temperature. Nurses are kind. They help people feel better.
This is a teacher. Teachers work in schools. They help students learn. They teach English, math, and other subjects. Teaching is important work. Teachers help students every day.
This is a student. Students study at school or university. They read books and do homework. They learn new things every day. It's not always easy. Learning helps us in life.
This is a police officer. Police officers help people. They keep people safe. They catch thieves and help in danger. It's a brave job. Police officers protect everyone.
This is a firefighter. Firefighters fight fires and save people. They work in fire stations. They drive big red trucks. It's a dangerous job. Firefighters are very brave.
This is a chef. Chefs cook food in restaurants. They use many ingredients. They make meals for people. Cooking is fun and creative. Chefs help people enjoy food.
This is a farmer. Farmers grow food for people. They work on farms every day. They plant seeds and take care of animals. It's hard work. Farmers feed the world.
This is a driver. Drivers drive cars, buses, or trucks. They take people to work or school. Some drivers take things to shops. They help people go to many places. It's an important job.
This is a pilot. Pilots fly airplanes. They work in airports and travel a lot. They take people to many countries. It's an exciting job. Pilots are very responsible.
This is a waiter. Waiters serve food and drinks. They take orders from customers. They bring meals to the tables. It's a busy job. Waiters help people enjoy food.
This is a shop assistant. Shop assistants work in stores. They help customers find things. They take money and give change. It's good to be friendly. Shop assistants make shopping easy.
This is a postman. Postmen deliver letters and packages. They walk or drive every day. They know every street in the town. It's an early job. Postmen connect people.
This is a fisherman. Fishermen catch fish in the sea or rivers. They go out very early in the morning. Sometimes it is cold and windy. They bring fresh food to people. Fishing is hard work.
This is a mechanic. Mechanics fix cars and machines. They work in garages. They use tools every day. It can be dirty work. Mechanics keep our cars working.
This is an artist. Artists paint or draw pictures. They work in studios or at home. They use colors and ideas. Art makes life beautiful. Artists make the world colorful.
This is a singer. Singers sing songs for people. They perform on stage or in studios. They use their voices as instruments. Music makes people happy. Singers bring joy to everyone.
This is a vet. Vets help sick animals. They work in clinics or farms. They give medicine and care for pets. Vets are kind and patient. They help animals stay healthy.
This is a scientist. Scientists study and test new ideas. They work in labs or universities. They do experiments and find answers. Science is interesting work. Scientists discover new things.
This is a baker. Bakers make bread, cakes, and pastries. They work early in the morning. The smell of fresh bread is amazing. Baking is fun and creative. Bakers make people happy with food.
These are 20 different jobs. We hope you enjoyed learning about them. Keep practicing English every day.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Englishify.
See you in the next lesson.